Good morning, boys and girls. Today is April 29th, 2020. For today's ELA lesson, I will be sharing with you a writer's workshop lesson. Our learning objective for today is students will be able to write an introduction to explain their purpose for writing a persuasive letter. Last week, we went over the parts of a persuasive letter. So just to remind you, a persuasive letter has a date, a greeting, introduction, reasons, conclusion, and closing. And we also had practice in drafting a letter to persuade our friend to try an activity. I enjoyed reading everybody's letters, and I have some examples to show you because I think that these students did such a great job in keeping the letter format and writing their sentences, especially with capital letters and punctuation. You all did such a great job. So now today's lesson is focusing on writing a strong introduction. We start writing a letter with a date, greeting, and introduction. The purpose of the introduction is to explain to the person why you're writing them a letter. And your introduction needs to be clear, otherwise your friend might be confused about why they are getting a letter. So here are some ways that we can write our introduction. For my examples, I will be using an activity, which is playing soccer. One way that we can write an introduction is by writing an explanation sentence. An explanation sentence may be, I am writing you because I think you should blank. So in this blank, this is where we would write our activity, and I would say, I am writing you because I think you should play soccer. Another explanation sentence could be, I want to tell you why I think you should blank with me. And again, we add our activity in this blank. And our sentence would be, I want to tell you why I think you should play soccer with me. We can also write our introduction by starting with a question. Are you looking for a fun way to exercise? Will be a good introduction for a write letter about playing soccer. You can also start your letter by sharing a strong feeling. I love it when I score a goal. And you can also tell an interesting fact for your introduction. Soccer is the most popular game in the world. So now let's practice. In the beginning of this unit, we started to brainstorm a list of our favorite activities. When you wrote your persuasive letter draft, you chose one activity to write about. Now, for the next few lessons, we are going to choose a different activity. Last week, I chose to write about persuading my friend to paint. Now, I am going to write about baking and try to persuade my friend to try it. So for today's lesson, we are only going to write up to our introduction. When I start writing a letter, I always begin with the date, and today is April 29th, 2020. Then I write my greeting, and my friend that I'm writing to is Miss Schoenfeld. So I have to write for my greeting, Dear Miss Schoenfeld. So now I want to write my introduction. And I want to make this introduction stronger or more persuasive than the introduction I wrote for my draft. I decided to write my introduction by sharing a strong feeling. So this is what it is. There is nothing better than the smell of fresh bread. This is why I am writing you because I think you should start baking. My introduction started with a strong feeling, and then I added another sentence because I wanted to be clear to my friend Miss Schoenfeld why I was writing her, and I wanted to introduce the topic that I was trying to persuade her to try. So we're stopping with these three parts of a letter. I have the date, the greeting, and my introduction, and everything looks right. So now it's your turn. So you're going to take your brainstorm web of your favorite activities and you're going to choose a new activity to write about. You're only going to write your letter up to your introduction, and you want to make sure that you write a strong introduction to persuade your friend to try your new activity. Make sure to include the date, greeting, and introduction. When the beginning of your letter is done, take a picture of your letter and upload it to your portfolio on Class Dojo. And make sure to keep the page that you are writing on because you'll be writing on it for the next few lessons. Next week, we are going to be working on writing strong reasons for our new activity. You should start thinking about doing an opinion writing web for your new activity so that you have your reasons ready because I'm going to show you some tricks to make those reasons stronger as we are writing. If you have any questions about this lesson or the activity, please let me know. You can always send me a message on Class Dojo. I hope you guys have a great day, and I can't wait to see how you guys made your introduction stronger. Bye.